The mid-20th century marked an unprecedented era of competitiveness, not on battlefields, but in the vast expanse of space. This was the age of the space race, an offshoot of the Cold War rivalry between two superpowers, the United States and the Soviet Union. This wasn't just a contest of technological prowess, but a battle for ideological supremacy. Amidst this backdrop of geopolitical tension, history was made when the Soviets launched Sputnik, the first artificial satellite, into orbit around the Earth. This monumental event in October 1957 marked the beginning of mankind's journey into the cosmos. Following this, in April 1961, Yuri Gagarin, a Soviet astronaut, made his mark in history as the first man to journey into outer space, further intensifying the race. Despite these significant milestones, the ultimate goal remained, landing a man on the moon. The stage was set for a contest that would push the boundaries of human exploration and ingenuity. July 16, 1969, a date forever etched in human history, marked the launch of the Apollo 11 mission from Kennedy Space Center. This was the day 3 brave astronauts embarked on a journey of a lifetime. Neil Armstrong, the mission commander, was joined by Command Module pilot Michael Collins and Lunar Module pilot Buzz Aldrin. These men were not just astronauts, they were pioneers, venturing into the unknown for the benefit of all humankind. The Saturn V rocket, a marvel of human engineering, roared to life, its engines belching fire and smoke as it ascended into the heavens. Millions of eyes watched, their breaths held, as Apollo 11 slipped the surly bonds of Earth to touch the face of the moon. The journey of nearly 240,000 miles began, a journey that would take just over 3 days. Upon reaching lunar orbit, Armstrong and Aldrin transferred into the lunar module, affectionately named Eagle. Meanwhile, Collins, the unsung hero of the mission, remained in the command module, Columbia, orbiting the moon, alone but crucial to the mission's success. Then came the moment that captured the world's attention. On July 20th, Armstrong and Aldrin descended in the Eagle towards the Sea of Tranquility. As they touched down, Armstrong radioed back to Earth. "Houston, Tranquility Base here, the Eagle has landed." The world exhaled in unison, a sigh of relief and jubilation. Armstrong was the first to step onto the lunar surface, followed by Aldrin. They spent over 2.5 hours outside the Eagle, conducting experiments, collecting lunar soil and rock samples, and planting the American flag, a symbol of their incredible achievement. The safe return to Earth was as critical as the journey itself. After rejoining Collins in Columbia, the crew began their journey home, splashing down in the Pacific Ocean on July 24th. They had ventured further than any human before them and returned to tell the tale. On July 20th, Armstrong's famous words echoed around the world. "That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind." This marked not only the end of Apollo 11's mission, but also the beginning of a new era in human exploration and understanding of the universe. The Apollo 11 mission was more than a successful lunar landing. It was a milestone that changed the course of space exploration. The audacious journey of Apollo 11, culminating in the first human footprint on the lunar surface, reverberated around the world, catapulting space exploration into an entirely new realm. It was not merely a victory for the United States in the heat of the space race, but a triumph for all of humanity, showcasing our collective potential to push beyond the boundaries of our known world. The mission's success was a testament to the feasibility of manned space missions. It proved that humans could survive in the harsh, unforgiving environment of outer space. And more importantly, that we could travel to other celestial bodies and return home safely. This opened up a world of possibilities for future space exploration, paving the way for subsequent missions to the Moon, Mars, and beyond. But the impact of Apollo 11 wasn't confined to the realm of space exploration. It sparked a global interest in space, both among the general public and within the scientific community. Suddenly, space wasn't just the domain of astronauts and rocket scientists, but a frontier accessible to children in classrooms, families gathered around their television sets, and dreamers looking up at the night sky. The mission also spurred on a wave of technological advancements. The need to miniaturize and improve technology for space travel led to developments in fields as diverse as computer science, materials engineering, and telecommunications. In fact, Many everyday items we take for granted today, like GPS systems and advanced weather forecasting, owe their existence to technologies pioneered during the Apollo era. In essence, Apollo 11 did more than land humans on the moon. It transformed our relationship with space, reshaped our technological landscape, and ignited a global passion for exploration that still burns brightly today. Though the space race may have cooled, the legacy of Apollo 11 continues to inspire and drive humanity's quest to explore the universe.